My simple process for setting up a planted aquarium. Since I didn't prepare beforehand, the video quality might not be the best, so I hope you'll understand. First, I spread a layer of pumice stones. This type of stone helps stabilize the water and provides a place for beneficial bacteria to thrive. It also raises the substrate layer, allowing plants to root better and saving on the amount of substrate fertilizer needed. Next, I add a layer of base nutrients on top of the pumice stones. This layer serves as the main source of nutrition for the plants. At this step, you can also mix in some powdered beneficial bacteria if you'd like. After that, I cover it all with a layer of topsoil substrate. Choose a high-quality substrate to promote plant growth and help the water clear up faster. Use tools to shape the substrate into slopes as you like. You can also add a few decorative stones for highlights, depending on your preference. Plant the aquarium plants using tweezers, placing taller plants at the back and smaller ones at the front. It's best to group similar plants into specific areas. Finally, ensure proper CO2 supply and provide lighting for 8 hours a day.